In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website on Ionos in just 5 minutes. Building a website might seem like a daunting task, especially if you're not overly familiar with web design or coding, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, an artist looking to showcase your work, or someone wanting to share their thoughts through a blog, having a website is almost indispensable in today's digital world. First things first, head over to Ionos UK's official website. Once there, you'll find yourself on their homepage, filled with various services ranging from web hosting to domain registration. For our purpose, you'll want to focus on the websites, domains, cloud section of the site. This is where the magic starts. The next step is to sign into your Ionos account. If you don't already have one, don't fret. Creating an account is a straightforward process. Simply click on the sign in option and follow the prompts to either log in or set up a new account. Remember, an Ionos account is your gateway to not just building a website, but also managing it and making sure it reaches your audience effectively. Now, let's pause for a moment to address a crucial preliminary step. Purchasing a domain. Your domain is essentially your website's address on the internet, so it's important to choose one that reflects your brand or the essence of your website. Ionos offers a vast selection of domains, so take your time to pick one that suits your needs, add your chosen domain to your basket, and proceed to purchase it. This step is fundamental because your domain will be the face of your website for as long as it runs. With your account set up and your domain secured, it's time to start the actual website building process. Navigate to the website section within Ionos. This section is designed to cater to individuals looking to build their websites from scratch or to improve an existing one. Here you'll discover various tools and services aimed at making your website building journey as smooth as possible. Among the options available, click on the Website Builder. The Ionos Website Builder is a powerful tool that simplifies the web design process. It allows you to construct your website through a user-friendly interface without the need for any coding knowledge. At this point, you will need to select a package. Ionos offers different packages based on the features they offer and the level of complexity of your website needs. Choose the one that best fits your requirements and budget. Now, this is where creativity comes into play. Start designing your website. The Website Builder provides a wealth of templates to choose from, making it easy to find one that matches the style and tone you're aiming for. Whether you want a professional-looking portfolio, a sleek online store, or a cozy blog, there's something for everyone. Of course, every aspect of the template is customizable, allowing you to inject your personal touch into every page. Remember, your website's design is crucial. It's often the first impression people will have of your brand or project, so take the time to ensure it reflects exactly what you want it to. Experiment with layouts, colors, and fonts until everything looks just right. As you approach the final stretch, it's time for another important reminder. Choosing from their website template can significantly speed up the process, so if you're pressed for time or simply unsure about starting from scratch, this is a great option. Dive into the selection and pick one that resonates with you and your website's goal. Finally, after all the customization and design work, there's only one thing left to do. Publish your website. This critical step will make your site live and visible to the world. It's a moment of accomplishment, marking the end of the building process and the beginning of your online journey. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one last piece of advice. Building your website is just the start. The digital landscape is always changing, so continuously update, optimize, and refine your site to keep it fresh and engaging for your visitors. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building a website on Ionos in just 5 minutes. Remember, while the process might seem complex at first glance, breaking it down into manageable steps makes it achievable for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. So, go ahead, embark on your website building adventure, and watch as your digital vision comes to life.